I'm going to tell you, this kid is well into trains. You've seen how he tries to climb up and watch them, but it's like a panic because he can't get up there. Yeah, you, little shit house.
That's why he's cleaning up the shit up place and what's left of the NHS inequality. Services and Brexit. No, these lights.
Hang on.
You've got like a thumbs up and a low thumbs, a heart, got thumbs up, a heart, crying face, wow, and some else. I've got that one.
Alright.
There is a purple flower, and there is one of lights.
Okay.
Hey, look.
I can't look in there.
Right.
What?
I've got 51 lights, 2 hearts, and a purple flower.
Alright.
Right.
There's purple flower. Flower. Bam, bam. Oh, I had to do that, sorry.
I can see because of the lights you and the other ones, Andy.
Eh?
You only get a heart, you only get that on your lights.
Yeah.
You can see.
Right.
It's not like flower.
I don't know.
Okay.
He's sat on one of the wire bushes, I think. He's dragging that bloody towel roll around. Get off, little monkey. What? Yeah, I'm filming you. You're a star. Don't knock the train, don't be a pussy twat. Get off. Thank you. You got it. You rotten. I'm not building this, bugger it. It's just not worth it, especially when they get pounced on like this and the kid comes for the camera as well. I'm not allowed anything in this bloody house. If it isn't that, it's a bloody kid on my computer as well. I can't win. And you as well with the abuse.
You love them all, sure.
I know, he's eating me. He's eating everything here. I'm going to turn this off. Bye. Right, here we go. Now, I've got to put this back on. Oh, you get off. Come on. We're not getting much help here. Leave the camera alone. Okay, that's there. Right, I'm going to put this. Get off my hand. Alright. Now don't help again, please. You've already helped with this. Twice. Get off the bloody screwdriver. That's what station work. That bloody cat. Ouch. Could have got me. There we are. Train nearly on. Let's see if we can get them all on before you knock them off again. Because you tend to help you, don't you? Right, this one. Guessing, yeah. Get off. You'll have you one there, you little bugger. Right. No, ask me sporran. You bloody sporran. Look, you. Yeah, bloody. Oh, you little sporran. You are, aren't you? Right, you're going back under then. Watch your trains a minute. Right, they're nearly ready to run, I think. I don't know. I think I've got them all back on track. Maybe stop them from that. Okay, right, come on. No, that one's not got it. Right, okay. Let me pop that one on. Ah, what the bloody no. Don't just fly through the air and attach like that. Right. Right, come on, right. Good, that done. Attack of the mutant mobby. Dan and Kim want one like you to be. You're bloody barmy. Your permanent attachment. You are? You're like an email.
Yes, exactly.
Right, come on now.
It's one attachment.
I know it's a bloody attachment. Get off the bloody, she's got the train as well. Shit. Multitasking. Right, come on, out. I'm starting to bleed it. I am bleeding actually. Right, enough's enough. Get off. Just stop that. HST. Faster. You can get up to that. He got it. You know, not a day goes by, not a train goes by actually.